Do you ever find yourself stumbling over words when trying to speak English, even though you know the grammar and vocabulary? You're not alone. This is something almost all learners face. But what if I told you there's a surprising technique that could completely change the way you speak? If you've been searching for the right way to improve your English speaking skills, then keep watching, because I'm about to share a technique that's been a game changer for so many people. It's called shadowing. You know those times in a conversation when you freeze, trying to find the right words? Or when you feel self-conscious about your accent or pronunciation? Trust me, I've been there too. I know how frustrating it can feel. But here's the exciting part. There's a technique that can help you build confidence and improve fluency quickly, and it's shadowing. If you've ever found yourself repeating phrases from a podcast or mimicking the tone of a TED Talk speaker, guess what? You've already taken the first steps towards shadowing. So what exactly is shadowing? In language learning, we often focus on grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. But speaking? Speaking is a different game. It takes practice, repetition, and most importantly, active listening. Shadowing is about listening to native speakers and actively repeating what they say, from their words to their tone. And as you practice, you'll notice big improvements in your pronunciation, rhythm, and vocabulary. Here's how to get started. Find audio or video content that's at your level. A TED Talk, podcast, or even your favorite TV show works great. Listen to it a couple of times to get familiar with the content and the speaker's style. Then, start replaying it and repeat every word, mirroring the speaker's intonation and rhythm. You don't need to rush. The key is consistency, not speed. I have a quick story about a friend of mine who struggled with her English speaking. She decided to try shadowing and committed to practicing with a podcast for 30 minutes a day. After just a few weeks, her pronunciation and fluency transformed. But what really amazed me was her new confidence. One day we were chatting, and she started using expressions and phrases she had picked up from the podcast, things I hadn't even taught her. It was incredible to see her transformation. So, are you ready to take the leap and try shadowing? Just imagine, with a few minutes of practice each day, you'll start seeing real changes in how you speak and feel about English. You'll go into conversations with a newfound confidence, sounding smoother, more natural, and even surprising yourself with the words and expressions you use. It's exciting, right? And the best part? You don't have to be perfect. Just showing up every day and practicing is enough to start the transformation. Shadowing can be your shortcut to sounding like the confident, fluent speaker you've always wanted to be. So why not take a chance and see where it can lead you? Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this journey. If you're trying shadowing or have your own language learning tips, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for you. And if you're excited to keep discovering new ways to grow, make sure to check out my other videos. From unique language hacks to quick practice routines, there's so much we can explore together. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's keep building confidence. One word, one sentence, one breakthrough at a time. See you in the next video.